Okay, we are here to unbox this AliExpress guitar. I've looked at a lot of these online and on YouTube that people can order a custom guitar out of China. Well, like this guitar, that's made in China. Another one that I have is made in China, Charvel. And a few others. But so we looked at a bunch of those custom guitars on YouTube, and they didn't really seem custom to me. I wanted something different, and so I got Google Translate, and I translated to auspicious guitars outside of China there, outside of Beijing. Anyway, and through the translator and sending them pictures of what I kind of wanted, I came up with this concept. Now, it's a BC Rich bitch with a beast headstock, bat inlays in translucent black with a Kaler bridge. Now, I have no idea what I'm going to open here. I could be completely surprised, or it could be glued on backwards. I have no idea what's going to happen here, but this is a true unboxing. Look at it. It barely got through all the way from China. It barely got a tear in the box. Seems to be pretty light. I'm hoping it's not balsa wood, like you make little derby cars with. But we'll see what it looks like. I have no idea. I'm trying to be safe for YouTube, or I would make up all kinds of crazy things that I would think that's in this box. So let's take a look. Definitely packed pretty good in styrofoam. I actually asked them if they could prepare it with a hard shell case, but the response I got most of the time was one word response, so it was a no. But that is okay. Either this goes in the fireplace and nobody should know about it, or it's going to be amazing. So, but either way, we're going to find out what they can do over there, if I can figure out how to open the box. It's almost like Christmas. Okay, it feels like a big lots of tape. Sorry about that. Big mess. We'll have to cut all that out, I guess. Okay. I told the guys in the band that I'd like them to be here for the unboxing so they could ridicule me But we hope that we are pleasantly surprised and that these guys know exactly what they're doing over there. That's all I can say. And why don't you come on around over here? So when we open this up, I'm kind of scared. I'm kind of scared. Ready? Well, there's a guitar in here. Oh, it's in a bag. Oh my God, let's see. Did I mention the abalone inlays? Ah. Well, wow. It looks like it is translucent. I think. Holy cow. I better count the frets. Looks like there's 24 there in there. Wow. $24. Well, I tell you, it's not bad looking. Let's see. Truss rod probably needs a little bit of adjustment. Wow. Check out the back of that. I'm kind of speechless. I don't know. I think it's pretty cool. Sits perfect. Got some weight to it. What do we got here? Oh boy, there's our first flaw. That happened in shipping right there. Check that out. It's to be expected. I'm not too damn worried about that. They even give me a pick. Yeah, see, look. Here's the chunks of paint that got blown off right there. Yeah, it definitely came through and hit something hard. It did come from China, but wow, that could probably be touched up a little bit, boy, but it hit definitely hard right there. I'm sure that they would feel bad if they seen that. Is there another one? There's a little ding on it right there. Well, a couple dings. A couple dings. That right there, I'll have to think about that one to fix that for a while. But I'm still pretty happy with what it is. it's still pretty cool. Yeah, it's gonna need tuned and whatnot, but overall, you know, got a little couple chips there. The box went right through it. What do you do? I think I got this for less than 500 bucks. The neck feels pretty good. The inlays don't feel sharp. Got little bats on it. That's pretty cool. I've never seen one like that before. Supposedly you can see the gold and silver, so it was at 80, 81, 85. And the bridge. Kaler X trim. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. But it's definitely definitely Chinese made. Little and we'll call it the baby beast headstock. We'll call it the itty bitty baby beast one. There we go. Alright, well, there it is. That's what you're going to expect, I suppose, from them. I'm not I'm not disappointed. It's pretty cool. You gotta expect, you know, that's a knockoff. So, just if it plays good and you're happy with it, I guess that's what you could expect. That's it.